So, tired of paying for 11 Labs? Maybe you're worried about their new rules on cloning famous people? Well, today we're looking at something called Voicebox. It's completely free, runs right on your computer, no internet needed. I'll show you how to set it all up and start cloning voices today. Let's get into it. You've probably heard of 11 Labs. It's fine, but you'll eventually have to pay. And now they block you from cloning famous people. Voicebox is different. It's free forever, runs on your own machine, no subscriptions, no restrictions, and since it's offline, everything stays completely private. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let's get it downloaded. The link is in the description below. I'm on Windows, so I'll grab the setup file. Installation is really simple, just like any app you've installed before. Pick your folder, click next couple times, and you're done. Once it opens, go straight to model management. Do this first before anything else. Download the QuantiTS model. That's the main one, and honestly, the best one. Then grab Whisperbase 2. It'll automatically transcribe your audio clips for you. Saves you a ton of time later. Trust me. Now here's the fun part. Click Create Voice. You'll see three options: mic recording, audio file, or system audio from your computer. Each clip can only be 30 seconds long, but you can add multiple clips to get better results. After recording, just hit transcribe. Whisper fills in exactly what was said. Then hit create profile and you're set. Now let's test it out. Select your voice profile, type anything you want, and hit generate. Your computer handles everything locally. It might take about a minute, so just hang tight. When it plays back, you'll be surprised how good it sounds. All from just one short clip. You can also clone other people's voices using system audio. Find a video of them talking, then hit Start System Capture. It records whatever's playing on your computer. Try to pick a moment with no background music. If they're making weird noises or doing impressions, the quality might drop a bit. Just add more clips and the AI will learn the voice better. There's also a feature called Story. It lets you create a full conversation between multiple voices. Imagine Alex Jones, Joe Rogan, and Theo Von all talking in one clip. You just add what each person says, one line at a time. Super straightforward. Great for skits or fake podcasts.